Learning how to draw your favorite storybook character is a great way to connect with them. Paddington the bear is a good example, as he needs some key features like a red hat, blue coat, and suitcase. This tutorial shows exactly how to do that and end up with a really fun and cute drawing. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. Here are the supplies I used to make this drawing: a sheet of drawing paper, a pencil, black marker, and some crayons. You can also find a link to a free step-by-step tutorial in the description below. If you've been here before, you know I like to work with center pencil guidelines on my paper. They really help me see where to place my lines when I draw. Let's start by drawing Paddington's collar of his coat so we can place his head above it. Make some dots like this to plan the size. Connect them on the right like this, and then draw a matching shape like that on the left. Now comes the head shape. Start with the curved sides and then connect them with the curve on top. His face needs a muzzle shape added in the middle. Start with the round nose and then the oval around it, and then the few lines for the mouth. Paddington's eyes are easy to draw, just circles on the side of the muzzle and a few lines for fur. Okay, now we can move on to the jacket. It starts with long lines for the sides and a curve at the bottom for the hem. The sleeves are pretty simple, but they do have a little detail too. Draw them with straight lines and then a little cuff near the edge. After the right one is done, then of course draw a matching sleeve on the left side. Okay, the closures on Paddington's coat are kind of fancy, I think like some old coats used to have. Start by drawing 3 backwards C shapes like this. Then each of those gets finished off in the same way, with 2 lines and a circle on the right, and the same on the left, and continue going down, adding the shape on both the right and the left until all 3 are finished. That coat now just needs 2 pockets, one on the right and one on the left. Paddington's feet are pretty simple too. I'm starting with the right one. That's just a rounded foot shape with some toe lines added. And then a symmetrical version is added on the left side. Finish with some toe lines there too. Okay, let's add his paws now. The one on the left looks pretty much just like a mitten, and the one on the right is a round shape, as it's going to be holding his suitcase. Now for Paddington's hat. Watch me draw a large curved shape on the right side of his head, and then one on the left side, and finishing with one on the top where his head is going to be covered. Lastly, we need to add his suitcase. Start by adding the handle, and then the top kind of rectangle looking shape, and the straight lines that go down for the sides, and those are connected with straight lines too. When those are done, add the trim lines and finish by erasing any lines inside the suitcase so it looks like it is in front of his coat. Now a little touch to make his face look a little furrier, with a zigzag line on the left and the right, and then some careful erasing of the smooth line that it's replacing. Okay, that's it for all the drawing steps. Now we need to get out that black marker and start carefully tracing all of those lines. When the tracing is done, it's really smart to clean up any pencil lines that might still be showing. Oh, there's one more line I need to add, the line going down the middle of his coat. I'm going to start by coloring his nose with that black marker, his fur with a medium brown color crayon. That same crayon can make a lighter color brown just by not pressing so hard on the muzzle and that suitcase. Paddington's hat is a bright red color, and his jacket a kind of medium shade of blue. So that is how you can draw Paddington the bear. I hope that by going through the steps together, It actually turned out to be easier to do than you thought. If you visit my website, Art Projects for Kids, you'll find many more cartoon tutorials, including one for Winnie the Pooh and Piglet. Over the years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. I'm so happy you joined me today, and if you are watching this on YouTube, always remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified as soon as I post a new video.